At least this one kind of has it there, very small. Because, you know, Beats is like a headphone brand. It's a speaker brand. It's more audio focused. So it's kind of weird now that they're doing tech accessories. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, autonomous vehicles, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is Apple's Beats' own iPhone 17 Pro Max rugged case, and I got it in this orange color to match my cosmic orange 17 Pro Max. So without further ado, let's start getting it out of the box. Here we go. So on the front of this box, you've got the Beats logo, iPhone 17 Pro Max, rugged case with MagSafe and camera control, and then a picture of the case itself. So let's just go ahead and open it up. We can peel the back off and then slide the case out right here. Got some paperwork behind the case, and here it is. And ooh, hold the iPhone, that's kind of funny. So yeah, wow, first impression, before I even put this case on, it is very textured here. It kind of feels like sandpaper. Not sure if I'm gonna like that long term, but hey, it's probably quite grippy. So let's put it on my iPhone right there. And here it is. So this shade of orange, it is not the same shade of orange as the cosmic orange on the iPhone. I would say it's more neon-y and bright. Over here, we got the Beats logo, some black buttons on the side. So volume button, nice and clicky. Action button right there. Side button if we want to talk to Siri. I don't really feel like it right now. Over here, we got the camera control button, and interestingly, it kind of has a bit of a divot there, right? It's kind of, kind of sunk in, if you guys can make that out. So we can press that if we want to open up the camera, and then we can use that to switch between the different controls on there. And then over on the bottom, ooh, this is interesting. For the speaker grills, each individual hole is drilled out of the case. There isn't like a cutout. So that's kind of cool. And then over here, we also have a cutout for the USB-C port. And on the back, we of course got a raised lip around the rear camera array, and on the front, raised lip around the whole front of the phone as well. So yeah, I can't get over that textured feeling on the bottom. Oh boy, I don't know if it's for me. I don't think it's for me. I mean, it feels kind of sandpapery. So I don't know if you're into that. Maybe you'd like it, but I don't really want to feel that kind of feeling whenever I'm holding my iPhone. But hey, at least it's definitely grippy, so I'll give it that. But now let's test out MagSafe on this case so we can plop this Anchor battery pack on, and boom, now it is charging. So yes, MagSafe works just fine. And yeah, just back to this texture thing. It's interesting because it's only on the bottom half of the phone here. Like up here is not. It's actually probably quite slippery, but down here it's that sandpapery texture. So I personally think this case isn't for me because I don't really like the way this texture feels. And I also feel like, I like orange, right? I got an orange iPhone, but I feel like the way this orange is presented, it's too like a plasticky, neon-y, I don't know, cheap looking orange. I don't know if I'm describing that right, but yeah, overall, I don't think this is not my favorite case. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this case down in the comments. I'm curious if you guys like it. The whole idea of Beats now doing cases is confusing to me. It confused me a bit more last year, because last year when they originally launched the cases, they at least didn't have the Beats logo in a super noticeable way, and at least this one kind of has it there, very small. Because, Beats is like a headphone brand. It's a speaker brand. It's more audio focused, so it's kind of weird now that they're doing tech accessories. I don't know, but yeah, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. And if you guys do want this case for yourselves, it'll set you back about $80. So definitely on the more pricier side. Especially, technically it's a first party case, right? Apple owns Beats. So especially for an Apple case, because usually those are like, the clear one's like $50. But yeah, if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 17 Pro Max cases, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different cases that I've unboxed for this phone. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video. And spoiler alert, guys, it is a lot. So check that out. And also, if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.